Here we can check the RSI also. It is near like 48 and 49, right?
Okay.
And you can see that the curve is going towards the downside. Once this curve moves towards the upside like this V shape, right? See, like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Then also this is the best time to take the trade at that time.
Take the trade.
Yes.
Okay. I see. Okay.
So both the things should match. Once here you can see a green candle, and once this line turns towards the upside, at that time you can enter the trade.
Okay. Mainly this is for intraday or position also.
No, this is for positional because we are checking one day time frame.
One day time frame, so it's position,
yes.
right?
Yes, and also you can see that there is a support. This is a support zone, right? See, they were.
Yeah.
So
right.
Because of that, we can take a chance if you want. If you still want to wait, you can wait for the green candle. But since there was a support like 1, 2, 3, right? So it is good that if you want, you can take a chance still with the stop loss in this area. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And once it crosses the 70, we should not do that, right? When it crosses 70 RSI.
That time we have to see the weekly chart. We have to see a breakout also there. Once it crosses 70, okay. Once it crosses 70 RSI, we have to see the weekly chart. How it is moving in weekly charts also.
Oh, I see. Okay. The higher time frame.
Yeah. Because see, in this area we have a resistance here, right? This area.
Yeah.
Because see, this is the resistance and this is the two resistance, right?
Right.
So if it gives a breakout like this, then we can buy, and our target will be this previous swing high, which is around 27.
27. Okay.
So once it crosses 21.5, something like that, then we can take a buy entry there.
Buy entry. Okay. Okay.
So like this, we can minimize the chart like this, and you can see the previous highs also and previous highs also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. Okay.
So if you zoom in like this, you will be able to see the chart of mostly like 1 year or more than 1 year like that.
Like that. Okay. How back we should go back? 6 months, 1 year?
This much is sufficient if you are able to find the previous swing highs and previous swing lows. But if you are not able to find any previous swing highs and low, then you may need to go back.
Then it should go back still. Okay. Right. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. I see. Okay.
Okay, so this clear trend line and this RSI concept.
Trend line RSI. I'm good.
Okay. So let's talk about some patterns. Have you heard about double bottom and double top patterns?
I heard about a double top, mountain, cup and saucer, but never used it actually.
Okay. So we have two. First, I will start with double top and double bottom. Okay. Double bottom. So these are the very basic patterns that are that we can find in most of the charts, right? So double bottom will look like a W shape, and double top will look like a M pattern, right?
M pattern. Okay.
So
this can be applied for both like 1 hour and also for 1 day.
Yes. The only difference is of accuracy. If you apply in a shorter time frame, the accuracy will be less. But if you apply in a higher time frame, the accuracy will be more. So mostly I would say that try to apply in 1 hour and 1 day like that.
1 hour, 1 day. Okay.
Yes.
The chances of forming this will be more. It's more, right?
Yes. So W and M pattern, our chances are more to form. Right?
Okay.
So W pattern is basically to take a buy trade, and M pattern is basically for the short selling.
Short sell. Okay.
So short selling you can do only in intraday, so you may have to choose only the 1 hour time frame.
1 hour, okay.
Right. So I will show you if we can see some kind of double bottom. These are kind of W pattern because sometimes the stocks forms the triple bottom also like this, and then it goes up.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So like this, it
Okay.
forms. It will take time to form. And this is a resistance area.
Okay.
So if you are a very if you have the appetite to take more risk, then you can enter near these zones because this is a, you have to use a 10 line also here, right? Sometimes like this.
Right.
Right. So if you are a high risk appetite trader, then you can make an entry here like this.
I see. Okay.
Or if you are a safe trader, you can wait for this eye to cross, then you can take.
Oh, got it. Okay. Okay. From the cross event, once the resistance is crossed, then we can take.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Fine. So this W can be formed on horizontal line, or it can be formed even on the trend line. On trend line, it will form like this and show up like
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And on horizontal
So
line.
here, okay, accuracy is not important, right? Not so. Just the formation is should be okay.
The formation you should choose correctly. Then only
Right.
your trade will be correct.
Correct. Okay.
So that is why on lesser time frame the accuracy is less, right?
Less. Okay. Right. Correct. So minimum 1 hour or 1 day.
So 1 day, if you choose it, then it will go for positional mostly, and in 1 hour.
For 3.
In 1 hour, you will get it intraday also.
Intraday, right? Okay. So here RSI is not required, is it?
No need for RSI here because we are just trading the patterns only, right? So here is not required.
Pattern. Okay. Okay.
RSI is important wherever we are taking the trade based on the price action.
Okay.
Here we are just seeing the patterns, right?
Okay.
Price action means we are using breakouts or we are using breakdowns or we are using open high and low. Then in that case, we may consider the RSI also.
Okay. Okay.
Right. I mostly use the weekly chart. At that time, I consider the RSI.
Okay. So you always use the weekly one, okay, for long term, like on 1 month, 2 months, like that.
See, sometimes I have seen if there is a breakout on weekly chart, the stock may give return even on the same day also.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Because weekly chart requires a lot of volume.
Volume. Oh, yes.
If on weekly chart there is a lot of volume, means some big institution or some big person is buying that stock.
Okay. Okay.
So many times I have seen that I will get the profit in intraday only.
Intraday only. Okay. But you wait for some more time and then only.
If I don't get intraday, then I'm happy to wait for like 15 days, 1 month also.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because they are called smart money. Smart money will always buy in chunks. Let's say they want to buy a stock of 50 crores, right? They want to invest this much of amount. Then they will invest in 5 times. One time they will buy 10 crores, then second time 10 crores, like that they will invest.
Right.
They will not invest all 50 crores in one go.
Correct. Right.
So that is why they will always try to take the stock 10 to 15% when they buy 10 crores, and then there will be a correction, and then again they will enter with the 10 crores. Like that they will keep on doing.
Okay. Sounds good.
So, and we can see the AM patterns also. Here you can see that AM patterns, right? AM pattern.
Okay.
But
pattern.
You have to short here in this area, but the stock didn't go below this, so there is no shorting opportunity. It went back from it.
Right.
So sometimes W and M will be mixed also. See here you can see there may be a W formation also, right?
W also, yes. Yeah. Okay.
So it's a kind of probability only, W and M pattern. So sometimes they get mixed. So if the pattern is getting filled, you should exit your trades.
Okay, right. So when you're exiting means like here in this case, where is the target?
See, if you have taken an entry here, then your target will be this previous swing high.
Okay.
If you have taken the entry here.
Right.
Or if you are taking the entry here, your target will be this area, the previous swing.
Okay. But this looks like a downward trend, like the second second one.
See,
Because it is.
first of all, there was a AM pattern, but it got failed here, right?
Yes.
Should go down, but it didn't go. After
Go
that,
down.
it reversed. So that got failed here. So that is why
Right.
if AM pattern is failed, means it is going to form a W pattern.
Okay.
So now it has
It's
formed
going
a
to go
W
up again.
pattern and it went up.
Right. Right. Okay.
So if you are taking entry here, you should exit here, which is the first previous swing high. And if you are taking an entry here, then you should exit near the second previous swing high, which is here.
Okay.
So you can see it went here also.
Right. Right. Yeah. Okay.
So sometimes W and AM pattern will be mixed. So this will come from your experience only. Once you start checking the charts, once you start making the patterns in the charts, then you will get to know these things.
Okay. Yeah.
And even you can see this on, if you want to see on 1 hour time frame. See here you can see double top.
Yeah. Right.
So here it got successful and it went down.
Right.
Your target will be here.
Okay.
Just staying low.
Okay. Okay.
Let me see one more. AM pattern. See, mostly the AM pattern will be like double top. If the price is chasing the same price again and it falls down, then it's a kind of double top.
Okay. I see. Okay.
Multiple resistance area, right?
Yeah.
So this is a kind of AM pattern, yes. See, mostly I think 60 to 65% accuracy you should get in W and M patterns.
Okay.
It means if you are taking 10 trades, your 5 to 6 trades should be been profitable, and so that is why you should always consider this reward of 1:2.
Okay.
So if your 5 trades are successful, then you will get 5 into 2, 10 rupees, and
10.
5 of failure you will lose 5 rupees. That means you are in profit 5 rupees.
Net will be 5, right?
That will be 5. Right?
Yeah,
So if 50-50 accuracy is there, then you should consider 1:2 risk reward ratio all the time.
Okay. So at reward, we should not have a stop in the limit right away, right? We should wait and then take it manually.
Yes. So don't put it in the system actually most of the times. Or if it is a swing trade, then you can calculate the price and then you can put it in the system. Do you have a system of GTT there in the US?
Sorry, which one? ETT?
GTT orders. GTT.
Good till cancel. Yes, we have the good till cancel. Good till cancel, yes.
So that you can create the GTT order. Once the price reaches, it will automatically trigger that.
Trigger that, okay.
Yes. So here in India also, mostly we are using GTT orders to, if you want to take a buy trade at some point or some price, or if we want to sell the stock at some price, then we will use the GTT orders.
GTT, okay.
Because
GTT for the GTT for target and for stop loss, you put
stop
the
loss
stop
also
loss.
you can keep. For stop loss also you can use GTT.
Oh, is it okay?
Yes, for both the trades you can use it.
Okay.
Because there are two options. Once you try to create GTT, it will ask you whether you want to buy or sell.
Okay.
So if you are in a buy position, then let's say you are in a buy position you have purchased at the stock at 100 and you want to place target as 120 and stop loss at 120. Then you can create two GTT orders. One GTT order of sell at 90 and one GTT order
by 90, sorry, sell 120.
So two orders also you can create.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So one will be your stop loss and one will be your target.
Target. Okay. And stop loss, as you said, we should once we enter, then change a little bit and then try to put this.
See, stop losses are mostly those that hack will work only if you are doing scalping and intraday. For swing position, it is not required.
Oh, okay. For swing, it's not required.
Yes, only for scalping and intraday, use it.
Okay.
So for swing, you directly can use the GTT order to place your target and stop loss also.
Okay. I see. Okay. So scalping means minimum is 1 day, right?
Scalping, you can exit within 5-10 minutes.
Oh, no, I'm sorry, like position.
Positional, like minimum 1 day, at least 1 to 2 days you have to wait sometimes.
2 days, right.
Yeah. So that mostly works with the people. If you are having a huge capital, then you can split it. One part you can keep it for swing or positional, and one part you can keep it for intraday or scalping. Like that, you can split.
Okay. So swing trading is usually also 1 hour minimum.
1 hour you can choose it, then you may get within same day also.
Okay.
And if you are using 1 day, then you may have to wait for a couple of days. It's like that.
Okay. Right. Okay. So the purpose of swing trading is waiting for some time, like at least minimum 1 day or maximum whatever the number of days. But scalping is mostly within the same day.
Quick scalping is very quick, and in scalping you may have to sit in front of the screen. And for swing, you may not have to sit in front of the screen. You can take a trade and leave it, and once you are seeing profits, then you can book your profit.
Come out. Got it. Okay. Or it will, so once you fix this target, and it will automatically come out of it.
Yes.
Right.
And scalping and intraday are mostly for the short profits, and swing trading is mostly for more profits. If you are looking for high percentage of profits, then you can look for swing trading.
Okay.
So here also you can see the double top here, right?
Yeah.
So like this, you can zoom in the chart and see and try to practice it. Once you practice it, then only you will get hands-on.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
See, when I am explaining you, sometimes you may feel like it is very easy, you can do it. But when you will put your capital and start doing it, sometimes you may feel it is difficult, right? Because because we have a psychology also, like psychology of fear and greed also, right? If we are putting money, we should not get lost and all those things, right?
Exactly. Yeah. True.
So it is very important to practice with. If you want to practice, you can practice with small quantities also, right? 1 or 2 quantities and see how it is working for 1 week.
How it goes. Correct. Exactly. Yeah.
And for that purpose, you can create a trading journal. Do you have any idea about trading journal?
I put that everything in an Excel sheet, but
that is fine. That is fine. So that once you have some data, based on that data, you can see how was the setup, which setup worked better, and all those things. And based on that, you can try to use only the same setup which gave you good profits.
Okay. I don't do that. I just put that ticker symbol like profit loss, gain loss, and I don't put that like what type of trade I did. Then, but is it like good? Is it like any particular app you're talking about, the trading journal, or we should create it ourselves?
No, we should do it. There might be some softwares, I'm not sure, but we have to, because we have to practice it, right? We need to see which strategy is giving a good accuracy for us. So that is why this is important, to see which strategy we are working on. Like we are working on hammer plus RSI, first strategy. Second strategy,
I see, right.
W pattern or AM pattern, right? So once we have the data, then we will see which strategy is working good for us, and then we will try to use that strategy.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Yeah, I will include that one as well in the chart.
Right. And when you are taking a breakout or breakdown trade, at that time you can use the RSI. At that time, RSI works better if you are using breakout and breakdown trades.
Breakout. Okay.
In breakout trades, the RSI has to be greater than 65, like that, and in breakdown, the RSI has to be below 50.
Okay. So for breakout, should be above 60.
65.
65. Okay.
Yes.
This is a breakout up in upward direction.
Yes. And we have to see the green candle also. You remember, na, green candle 50 more than 50%
Yes.
green candle. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
And similarly for breakdown, the RSI should be less than 50, around 46, 47. Then you can take a breakdown trade, and again, there should be a red triangle. There should be a red candle more than 50% towards the downside.
Okay. So 40 you said, right? Should be below 40.
45 also you can consider.
Okay.
And just also try to see the line also of RSI, right? Whether it's going down or it's going upside, right?
Right. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Because that will give you a basic idea that the stock will not reverse immediately.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And here you can see the double bottom here as well, right?
Yes.
Double
Yeah.
pattern, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So
that also we can consider it. It is not exactly. It is.
Yes.
Okay.
See, if you are taking 1 hour chart, you have to wait for only small profits. But if you are taking for 1 day chart, you may wait for more profits, because one candle is of 1 day in one day.
Correct.
One candle is of 1 hour only, right? So time frame is less. Time frame is less means profit is also less. Time frame is more means profit may also be more.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is clear. W and M patterns.
Yeah. This is clear. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then we can keep it till here today, and tomorrow we will talk about some more patterns like head and shoulders, cup and handle, flag patterns, symmetrical triangle, 4-5 patterns we will talk about, and then I'll start the options.
Okay, that sounds good. So these are the basics for options, right?
These are required actually, and 1 or 2 indicators also I'll tell you about, like Bollinger Band also, so that we can use those setups in option trading.
Okay. So any of these days we never spoke about exponential moving average. We don't have to consider in this type of trades.
That we will consider as a part of indicator only when I will explain you Bollinger Band, because those indicators are inbuilt with Bollinger Band. So no need to plot it separately.
Okay. MACD and.
If you want, I can teach you about moving average also. There are many moving averages, we can use it. So that's a different concept that we can also apply with RSI. Okay. So I
just want to do it with the exponential moving average and simple moving average.
Both the things. Then I will I will teach you in the next class how to use those also.
Sounds good. Okay.
So tomorrow also same time, right? 8:15.
Tomorrow 8:15 your time should be okay for me. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And
Vijay, you can give me your email ID so that I can share the recording to you.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, okay. I will ping you in that WhatsApp.
You just ping me on WhatsApp. I'll upload by tomorrow morning.
Okay, sounds good. All right.
Okay, then we can close for today.
Thanks, everyone. Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Now started. Let me start. Okay, so this candle, if the candle color is green, it is called as bullish Marabuzu. If the candle color is red, it is called as bearish Marabuzu.
Okay.
I'll show you these samples. I have some samples. I'll show you one second. See these candles, right?
Okay.
So the first one, which is in green color, this is bullish Marabuzu, means the buyers are dominating the sellers.
Right.
And second is the bearish Marabuzu. In this, sellers are dominating the buyers.
Yes, correct. Okay, sounds good.
And we have the wicks also, as you mentioned, right? Upper wick and the lower wick.
Lower wick, okay.
And apart from that, we have 4 prices also. Open price,
right.
Price, high price and close price.
Yes.
So irrespective of shape and color of the candle, we will have 4 prices in each and every candle.
Okay.
This is clear, sir? So now coming back to hammer. Okay.
Okay.
So hammer we have to. This is a high price and this is a low price, right?
Right.
150. I will show you on charts also so that it will be clear to you. Here I am just explaining you how it will work.
Okay.
So next candle, it can cross like this. It can be any candle like a hammer or it can be a Marubozu. It can be any candle, but it has to cross this price. Then we will take a buy trade. So let's say it crossed around 102. Then our entry price is 102, right?
Okay.
And we have to see the stop loss also here. So stop loss depends on the size of the candle actually, right? If the size is quite big, then we will consider the 50% part of this candle.
Right.
And if the candle is small, the hammer is small, then we can consider the low also as a stop loss. So it totally depends on your risk appetite, what stop loss you can consider.
Okay. Sometimes stop loss doesn't work out because, this, like institutions, traders, they just like drop the, the price or increase the price, take all the stop losses.
Right. But if we are doing scalping and intraday, it is very important. Otherwise, it will take our capital actually.
Exactly. Yeah.
So for intraday and scalping, stop loss is very important. For swing trading, it may not be that important, but for intraday and scalping, it is very important because we may not know till what point the stock will go, right?
Correct. Exactly. Yeah.
So that's the reason we have to use the stop loss also. So see, the second thing what you can do is that you should not put the stop loss in the system. You can keep it in your mind, or you can just note it down, and based on the screen you can keep it, because sometimes the operator can see the prices actually in intraday.
Exactly, correct. Right.
So that's the reason the prices are getting manipulated in intraday. So that's the reason most of the stop losses are getting hit in intraday.
Getting hit, right, correct.
Right. So we have to find out some tricks based on that, right? See, one trick what I have seen practically, right? Let's say you have entered a stock at 102, okay, and let's say you want to put a stop loss at 96, okay. So what you do is that first thing you just put a trigger price of 96, okay, stop loss, and after 5 minutes now just try to change it to 95.
Okay.
So what I have seen is that they will be able to see the first price and they won't be able to see the change. If you have done any changes second time, they won't be able to see that actually. So this is what I have seen in the system in India actually.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So that is why I always do like that. Whenever I have to book the profit or whenever I have to keep the stop loss, first I will put some random figure, and after that, after 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, I will try to change that price. Maybe 50 paisa or 1 rupee you can change.
Plus or minus. Okay. Even like should we wait for this minute or even the 1 minute later we can change it,
1 minute also you can change it after one, because if you are doing scalping, you have to change it within 1 minute.
Within one, correct, exactly.
Yes,
okay.
Yes. So, but
that's good.
Change is important actually.
Okay.
Fine. So here, let's say your entry is 102, then stop loss you can consider based on the candle size, and profit. How you have to book the profit? See, there are two options you can consider while booking the profits, right? First is you can think of risk and reward ratio, right? Like 1:1, 1:2, or 1:3.
Right.
So like this you can think, or based on the technical chart you can plan. Based on the previous swing high you can think, or based on the pivot points you can plan your targets. So there are many ways to use the targets. So normally
extension also you can use, right?
So normally I use charts only, like previous swing high and the pivot points to identify the profits. Right? I will show you on chart. I'll just show you on chart how it works. 1 second. So you can use TradingView actually to check these things.
Okay.
So which software you are using right now?
I'm using this Thinkorswim. It's actually, Charles Schwab. That's actually a brokerage. Okay. And I'm using their mobile platform, which is called Thinkorswim. And also I'm using the TradingView for an extended couple of months, just to view extra additional, stocks, monitoring at the same time. I'm using this TradingView and using like at least 4 or 6 charts.
Yeah, right. You can. Most of the people see here also in India they are using TradingView because they have a good GUI and they have good number of indicators and all those things are good actually.
Right.
See here like this I can show you. You can see this is a kind of hammer, right? Almost a kind of hammer here, right?
Right.
So there was a downtrend. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth candle, right? So
Right.
there was a downtrend, and now you have identified the hammer. And now what you have to do? You have to mark the high and low of this hammer, right?
Okay. Okay.
So in this scenario, the second candle only crosses the first candle. So here you can take an entry right here.
Right.
And your stop loss will be the low of this candle, which is around 222. So just try to use some buffer in stop loss. Let's say here it is showing 222.48, right? So try to use it around 2 to 1.75 like that, because sometimes operator will try to manipulate. They will hit the stop loss and then again they will start taking you right.
Correct. So you have to put a little bit lower than the like a low price.
Yes, and second is just try to change it after 1 minute.
Change it after a minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 So this is a stop loss and target. How you can decide? You can see the previous swing high. So the previous swing high are these areas, right? 1, 2, and 3.
Right.
So if you have more quantities, you can book in chunks, right? Like some portion you can book here, some portion you can book here, and some portion you can book here. Like that, you can also do.
Like 25%, 50%, like that,
Let's say you have 90 quantities, right? So 30 quantities you can book here, 40 quantities you can book here, and remaining 20 quantities you can book here. So like that.
Okay.
And apart from that, if you don't want to book in chunks, what you can do is that you can trail your stop loss. So do you have any idea about stop loss trailing?
Trailing stop loss, yeah. Can you explain? I have never used it. I know, but I never used it.
Okay. So let's say your entry was at 102, right? And here your stop loss was 95, right? So now the stock has moved to 1110, right? So now what you can do, you can move your stop loss to 100 or 101.
Okay. So, it will follow whatever the top prices, whatever the target prices.
So that you can move the stop loss from 95 to 100. So that is called trailing stop loss. And again, if the stock prices went to 120, and then you can trail your stop loss from 100 to 110. So like
it automatically will move, right, when you select the trailing stop loss.
There is an option in the system. If you select the trailing stop loss, see, there are two ways to select the trailing stop loss. Either you can use through percentage basis, or you can use price wise.
Okay.
So it depends on you which one you want to use it, right? So,
okay.
So this way, you can take maximum profits in that trade.
Right.
Okay. So there are two ways. Either you book in chunks, or you can follow the trailing stop loss rule.
Trailing stop loss. Okay.
Okay. Is this clear? Trailing stop loss and hammer.
Yeah. And then you said pivot is that one you said, right? Pivot using pivot points. That's the one you explained now.
So that I will explain once I explained you all the candles. After that, I'll explain you how to use the pivot.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. So you don't wait for more time, right? You immediately after the first, top is hit, then you fix the target. You don't wait for more time.
What normally I do, Vijay, let's say I took an entry here. Okay, what I will do, I will exit here. All the quantities I will exit here, and then I will again wait for a new breakout. And once there is a breakout, I will enter again.
I see. Okay.
I will enter again, and my stop loss will be here, and my target will be again the previous swing high. So like that, I will keep on moving.
Got it. Okay.
So that is a third way you can plan. Like if you want to sit in front of the screen the whole day, you can use it, right? Sometimes.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, so this is for the uptrend, and let's see one more hammer. Here you can see, right? So there was a good uptrend here, and then we
Okay.
can see a very good perfect hammer kind of thing, right?
Right. Perfect. Yes.
Right. So here what we have to do again the same thing, right? We have to mark the high and low of this candle. See here, you can see here, right? The next candle has went up to this part, and after that it came down. So it hit your stop loss, and then it
Right.
came down after that, right? So this
Correct,
was a wrong trade,
Right.
right? So sometimes it will happen because out of 10 trades, 5 or 6 trades will be successful, and so 4 or 5 trades will have stop loss, obviously, because
Right, it will get the stop loss.
there is no 100% in trading, right? It's a kind of business.
Exactly.
We can't expect 100% profits
Correct.
from trading.
Correct. Right. Right.
So once you take an entry here, then you can take a short position, right?
Okay.
See here, in this use case, it is a kind of different thing. It is basically trying to make a lower high and lower low, right? See, like
Right.
this.
Correct.
So if you miss the entry here now, then you can take an entry again here. Let's say here the second candle crossed the high price, so you might have taken a buy trade here, right?
Right.
But your stop loss is hit, then you have to exit the trade. So again, if you want to enter the trade, you can enter here
You enter the trade. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
like this, because
Right,
there's a
right.
resistance area, right? So here you can. This is the low of the hammer, right?
Correct.
Here.
Right.
So here you can again take a short position in this
Okay.
area.
Okay.
Because this is a very safe place, because your stop loss is very low here. If you take an entry
Right,
here,
right.
your stop loss will be here only, right? Very near.
Correct. Correct. Right.
You can take a short position, and then based on the previous swing low, you can exit. Like some quantities
Very
you
good.
can exit here, and then like this you can plan.
Okay. So here you put bulk quantities, Gaurav, or you like, what is the quantity worth you put like around like
See,
100 shares, 200 shares?
Intraday, I'll always take bulk quantity, but if I'm doing a swing trade, then I'll add different quantities.
Okay. Swing trading means you like to say within 2-3 days, within a week, right? Like
Say
within
1
5
week,
days.
10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days also.
Okay. Okay.
So that works better because I have to wait, but I don't have to sit in front of the screen the whole day, right? I can do
Correct.
some other work also. And
Correct.
the second thing is the chances of manipulation is very less in swing trading.
Swing trading, correct. Exactly.
Yes. So, or what you can do is that if you want to do intraday scalping also, what you can do, let's say you have a capital of 5 lakhs, right? So you can split your capital, right? Like
Okay.
1 to 2 lakhs you can use for intraday and scalping, and
Okay.
and remaining 3 to 4 lakhs you can use in swing trading, right?
Swing trading. Okay. Okay.
So like that
Okay.
you can split your capital. But
Right. Okay.
but for scalping and intraday, just try to add whatever quantities you want to add. Just try to add in at one time. Don't try to average it for intraday and scalping.
Okay. Okay. Just one time and then come out. That's it. No averaging.
One time,
Right.
yeah. Or the second thing, what I do for procedure I think like for scalping and intraday, like whenever I get 1,000 rupees profit in one trade, I'll exit,
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
irrespective of my quantities and the capital used, right?
Right.
So
Okay.
my profit target is 1,000 and my loss target is minus 500. So whenever I see minus 500, I will exit my trade, and whenever I see 1,000 profit, I will book my profits.
Okay. Okay.
So like
So
that
you
also,
use this thing, keyboard for fast entries? Do you the shortcut keys?
no, like normal mouse and keyboard only I use actually.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Right. See, what I used to do, like let's say if I am doing scalping, right? So I have to use the 5-minute chart, right?
Right.
Let's say I took an entry at 100. So I will try to find out what was the previous swing high. Let's say the previous swing high is at 105. So what
Okay.
I will do is that I will set in a system my target price at 104.25.
Okay. Okay.
So once it reaches there, it will automatically book my profits.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because
Do you use
sometimes
3 minutes also? Yeah, go ahead.
and sometimes because the resistance is at 105, sometimes it may not hit. It may return from 104 also. So
Yeah.
that is monitor.
Right. So
What you are asking?
do you also use 3 minutes chart, or you only use 5 minutes for intraday scalping?
5 minutes I use very less actually. I use 30 minutes chart actually.
Oh, is it? Okay.
30 minutes chart, because 30 minutes chart will have a lot of volume, and the manipulation chances are very less in 30 minutes because
Correct.
it requires a lot of volume to make that candle. 1 minute and 3
Correct.
minutes they can manipulate very easily.
Correct. Exactly. So it's better to use 30 minutes, right, for intraday?
30 minutes and 1 hour. So these two candles, these two frame mostly I use. So 5 minutes and
Okay.
15 minutes, I will not. I actually have used many times, but my stop loss got hit. So I have stopped using 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
Right. So as soon as you enter the market, the next second the market goes in the opposite direction. That usually happens to me.
But if you follow some specificity, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, it will happen like that. But
Correct.
if your trade is correct, the stock should not go down.
Right. Exactly. You're right.
Yeah. So try to. I will explain you some tricks that you can use on 30 minutes and 1 hour also. In that scenario, your stop loss will be very small actually.
Okay.
So 1, 3, and 5 minutes will give you very less timings, and the chances of manipulation are also very high. So
Correct.
try to avoid it. And sometimes I use the weekly chart also actually. I have
Okay.
seen that because I am taking that trade considering that that will be my swing trade, right, for 1 week or 10 days, considering the weekly chart. But sometimes the volume is so high that it will give me profits only in intradays. Then I used to exit in intraday only.
Okay.
Because these
Hi, Gaurav. Are you able to hear me?
As a text-based AI, I can't hear you. I process information through the text you type.
Good, right? Are you able to hear me properly?
yes, I can hear.
Okay.
Let's start. So your video is coming off actually.
I'm sorry?
Your video is coming off.
Okay, so 1 second. Let me start this. Nothing better, right?
Yeah. Okay. So, any doubts from the previous session? Do you have any doubts from the previous session, or you want to ask anything?
Yes. Can we go to IBM, because IBM, the market is still there. I just want to know.
You mean the stock in the trading view, right?
In the trading view, right?
Okay. 1 second. I'll just share my screen.
Okay.
IBM first one, right?
IBM, right? Yeah. So you have put in the 1 day view, right?
Yes, it's a 1 day.
Okay. So I just was looking for 30 minutes. Is it 1 day better, Gaurav, or is it 30 minutes better for scalping, or like 1 day, same day trading?
See, intraday, I would suggest you can try 1 hour also.
Okay.
Because sometimes in a 1 day time frame, you may have to wait for a couple of days.
For 1 day, right?
If you are choosing 1 day time frame, you may have to wait for a couple of days to take profits. So,
Okay, correct.
So 1 hour is good, I think.
1 hour is good. Okay.
Yes.
How about 30 minutes? 30 minutes is okay.
30 minutes and 1 hour mostly are the same. The only difference is of volume.
The volume. Okay.
Yeah. In 30 minutes, sometimes there are some manipulation, but in 1 hour, chances of manipulation are very, very less.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And what you can do is that if you want to trade on 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can choose a price action. There's a strategy called price action strategy. So
Okay.
what we normally do in this, we will try to check the prices, right? If the price is open equals to low, then we will take a buy trade. And if price open equals to high, then we will try a short trade.
Open is equal to low, open is equal to high. Okay.
Yes.
The next candle you meant.
See, this you can try on 30 minutes as well as on 1 hour.
Okay.
For kind of scalping and intraday. So, but what you have to do is that, like in India, the market opens at 9:15, right? So, 1 hour or 30 minutes, we normally check around like 9:15 and then again 9:45 and then again at 10:15. So, at a gap of half an hour, right? Because I want to see a candle of half an hour. And if I want to see a candle of 1 hour, then I will check at 9:15 and then at 10:15 and then like that I will check in India. So there. At what time market opens there?
Here 9:30.
9:30. Yeah. So if you want to trade 30 minutes, then maybe first candle you can check around 9:30, then 10 o'clock, then 10:30. Like whatever time you wish to take the trade, you can choose from these time frames.
Okay, so that means that 9:30 means 9 to 9:30 the first candle.
No. 9:30 the market opens, right? So you have to just try at 9:30 only. So
9:30 to 10 candle, the first candle.
9:30 to the 10 candle, but you have to initiate your trade around 9:32 or 9:33 like that.
Okay, that based on the previous candles.
Yes, and the same candle will start forming at 9:30. Okay, so at the same time you have to see whether the price open is equal to low or not at 9:30, and then you can take a trade at 9:32 around 9:32.
Okay, I see.
Let's say the open and low equals to 100, right? So you can take a trade at 9:32 around. I think it may come around 102 or 101, something like that, and then your stop loss will be very less in this case. Your stop loss will be 99.5, something like that.
5. Can you show an example?
Yes.
Like open is equal to low or open is equal to high.
Yes, I'll show you. See this candle.
Sorry, I'm not seeing it. Which one?
1 second, I'll just mark it. I'll just make it big. The green one, right?
Yes, okay. Oh, okay, solid candle.
Yes, solid candle. See, once it starts forming, at that time you may not see that solid candle. Once it finishes, then only you can see it whether it's a solid candle or not, right?
Right, exactly.
Now, since the chart is complete, we can see that it's a big candle, right? So, if I put my cursor here, you can see that open and low price are almost same. It's a difference. It's a very minor difference, 0.09.
Where do you see that open minus close difference?
1 second, I'll mark here. Yeah, you will see it.
Oh, okay.
If I put my cursor on the candle, you can see OHLC, right? At the top, you can see OHLC, correct?
Right, correct, yes.
O is open, H high, L low, and C is close.
Right, okay. So open and low is same here, almost same.
Right. So in this case, your open is 278.72. So you might take an entry around 279 or 280, around 280. So your stop loss will be around 278.
Okay, I see. Okay. So here you need to take a shot.
Yeah. No, buy trade. Open equals to low. If open equals to low, you have to take a buy trade.
Open equal to low. Okay.
You have to take a buy
So,
trade.
but the market has come down a little, and then it is going up right after long time.
No, see, this is a 1 hour candle. You will enter around 9:32 and you may exit within 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay.
You have to exit quickly. You should not wait for a full day.
Okay.
So before the candle
I see.
finishes, let's say you entered at 9:32, so the candle will end at 10:30, right? So you have to
Right.
exit around 10 or 9:45 only. So that is
I
basically
see.
for scalping purpose. Quickly, quick
Quickly
profit.
get into the trend.
Yes,
Okay.
quick
Just
profit.
I see. Okay.
This some kind of like 5-10 points, 15 points like that.
Okay. So only in this case we should take the trade. Open is equal to close.
Yes.
Open equal to low buy, and then other is open is equal to high short. Okay.
Yeah. Because see, in this case now, our stop loss will be very low actually, very nearby only. So the risk is very less in these kind of trades.
Okay.
So 9:30 you can check. If you don't get 9:30, then you can check at 10:30, and then you can check it at 11:30. Like that, every 1 hour you can check the candle.
Candle. I see. Okay.
And
Okay.
so if open equals to low, you can take a buy trade, and if opens equals to high, you can take a short trade. I will show you
Short
example of open equals to high also.
Sure. This is called pattern trade.
Price action.
Price action. Okay.
Yes. See, I'll just mark that candle. This is a red candle, right?
Yes.
So mostly, if you see open equals to low, then mostly that candle will be green only, and if open equals to high, then mostly that candle will be red only.
Right. Correct.
Yes. So if I put my cursor on the candle at the top, you can see that open equals to high. Open equals to high, same, exactly same, right? 266.61, both are same only.
Open equal to high. Correct. Yeah.
So here you can take a short trade. Your stop loss will be 265. Your stop loss will be your stop loss will be 267, and and you can play for some points like 5, 10, 15 points like that.
Okay. Sounds good.
Fine. So this you can use even on 15 minutes, but the accuracy is very less on 15 minutes.